Stack class is in Java util package of Java. Stack works like last in, first out policy. Stack does not require any fixed dimension like string array and int array. Stack contains many useful methods. To add element in stacks, we can use push method of stack plus. To get value from stack provides pop method and stack size method. The total number of elements in stacks are the pick methods at the object at the top of this stack without removing it from the stack. The first is we import Java util iterator. The second one is we import Java util.stack. We name the class stack sample rather. And then public static void main string args. First, we're gonna type stack string sk equals to new stack string close open. And then we instantiate the sk to push. Example of it is the letter A. Another one, we're gonna copy it, paste, at least 4 example. I'm gonna put there in C, E, and D. After that, we're going to type the iterator it sk.iterator system.out.print line size before pop open close colon plus sk that size open close we're gonna close it by using semicolon, and after that system that out that print. I'm so sorry. We're gonna type here while it that has next close open. Open and close rather. String I value equals string it.next drop system that out that print line iterator value colon plus value. After that, we're gonna close it, and that is the example of a stack. Hope you understand, and thank you for listening.